Media coverage law articles are a great way to stay in touch with your existing and potential clients and keep your firm's name in the front of their minds. You can select the topics that are most relevant to you, whether your firm specialises in private or commercial client work, or both. The articles will be emailed to you as Microsoft Word documents, ready to be posted on your website. We can even include ready-to-post featured images on some articles, cropped to the correct size and resolution for social media platforms. The articles are complete and can stand alone, but you can of course edit them and add your own comments if you wish, to make them more personal. You can also use the articles to create print newsletters. We can design these for you if you wish, providing all the photos and graphics. Newsletters placed in your office reception area or posted out directly to clients add another valuable element to your marketing. All our articles are written in straightforward BBC-style English, both accessible and enjoyable for your clients to read. The headlines and opening sentences are lively and informative, so they capture the reader's attention when they appear on social media channels. Content marketing demands a constant stream of new stories every month. That can be very time-consuming. Media coverage can remove that burden from you, saving you time and money. Please get in touch. We'll be delighted to help.